Okay, so we're here with Steve. Steve, I'm gonna give you a riddle, okay? This riddle you have to figure out. You only got 30 seconds to figure it out. If you figure it out within the 30 seconds, you get to win some Beats headphones. Okay? Here is the riddle. Hark the heralds, angels sing. Although I'm not royalty, I'm often a queen or a king. I'm so important, people have named the room after this thing. What am I?
Named a room after it? Named a room after it? Bathroom? I don't know.
11, 12, 13,
Not a king or a queen,
15,
but they named a room after it. The throne room.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
I'm going to lose this.
27, 28, 29, 30. Alrighty, thank you. You did not get that answer right, but so I'm here with Sergio. Okay, Sergio, I'm gonna give you a riddle. It's a Christmas riddle. You have 30 seconds to guess this one. If you guess it, you win some Studio Beats by Dr. Dre. If you don't, then I go to the next person. You only have 30 seconds to guess this riddle. Okay. Alright? The 30 seconds starts whenever I say the riddle. You ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Alright, 30 seconds start now. Hark the heralds, angels sing. Although often I'm not royalty, I'm a queen or a king. It's so important, people have named the room after this thing. What am I?
Oh.
10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Don't do
22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
I don't know, a crown.
28, 29, 30. Alrighty, thank you, Sergio. You did not get the answer right, but we might come back to you with a different riddle. I'm here with Gabriel. Gabriel, I'm gonna give you a riddle. Only 30 seconds.
Okay.
30 seconds, I'm gonna give you. Okay? If you get it right, you win the AirPods Beats. The Studio Beats. Okay? If you don't, I go to the next one. Okay? You ready?
All right,
The
ready.
second start as soon as I start saying it. 30 seconds only.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Got it. All right, go.
Okay. Rubs the holly, deck the halls. I'm Clister here, but I'm not a crystal ball. I allow you to look through the wall. What am I?
A mirror.
No.
Ah,
10 seconds in.
a mirror. Christmas decoration. Ornament. I don't know, man.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
A starlight.
25,
The light. The star.
26,
Christmas lights.
27,
I don't know, man.
29.
I don't know.
All right, thank you for playing. You did not win this one.
was it?
I can't tell you because I'm gonna search it up.
Yo tengo un amigo que se llama Gabriel.
Off the halls, deck the halls. I'm Clister here, but I'm not a crystal ball. I allow you to look through the wall. 10 seconds only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. No? Okay. Let's go. So I'm here with Yenny. Yenny, I'm gonna tell you a riddle. If you get it within 30 seconds, you win some Dr. Dre headphones. Or what are these? Studio Buds. Studio Buds. All right, 30 seconds. All right. You have 30 seconds to get this riddle. All right. If you get it, you win it. If you don't, I move to the next one. You ready? Okay. Hollies deck the halls. I'm Clister here, but I'm not a crystal ball. I allow you to look through the wall. What am I?
Bowls of
10.
An ornament?
16.
A glass?
17.
A nutcracker?
18,
No, but it's crystal clear.
10,
The star? Present?
5,
Contacts?
6, 7, 8.
Glasses?
Nope. All right, thank you for playing. You did not win this time, but Chuck. All right, I'm here with Rob. Roger. Roger, I'm gonna give you a riddle. If you get this riddle within 30 seconds, you win the Dr. Dre Beats. If you don't, I just move it to somebody else. You got it?
Está bueno, pues.
Okay. 30 seconds, start as soon as I read it. Ready? All right, 30 seconds, start now. Route the hollies, take the halls. I'm crystal clear, but I'm not a crystal ball. I allow you to look through the wall. What am I?
A la verga.
18.
Ah, no mames. I allow you to look through the wall. A mirror? No. Two-way mirror? Nah.
9.
Ah, no mames. Hey, shit.
5, 4,
Window.
3.
Yeah.
You got it! You got it! So he gets a V spots. Yeah, you got it.
Shit. Hell yeah, thank you. Yeah. A window. Yeah, it's always a window. Yeah.
It's always the window.